Find Ripton Boat in the App Store. Click to download it. Into the Ripton Boat. Enter the CatchX Pro 2025 interface. Zoom in and out to preload the map. Find the Wi-Fi named Ripper Mode and connect to it. Connection successful. Mount the Hydrobat sonar onto the bait boat. There's no need to manually connect the sonar to the app. Once the sonar touches the water, it will automatically power on and connect to both the app and the bait boat. Tap the sonar icon to open the sonar interface. You can zoom in on the sonar interface or switch between the bait boat and sonar interfaces. Sub interface. Tap to start the sonar scanning task. Tap to turn the boat lights on or off. Release the hook. Drop the bait. Point mark button. While the bait boat is moving, tap this button to set points on the map. Deviation correction button. Historical waypoint. You can view, edit, and delete all set waypoints. Tap any waypoint to edit it. You can change the marker icon, edit the label, and upload images. Return button. Tap to return to the home point.
We're returning to the home point. Arrived at the home point.
Electronic anchor. When enabled, a bait boat will hold its position on the spot. Home point button. Tap to set the home point. Map button. View historical underwater maps and depth at any waypoint. Map setting button. Turn off the learner mode. Adjust sailing range. Set low voltage alarm. Compass calibration. Calibrate the compass before setting the mission.
Calibrating. Calibration completed. Now you can set a mission.
Tap the home point button, select a desired waypoint, and tap confirm to set it as the home point. Long press on the map to select a task point. Tap Start. You can choose to have the bait boat automatically release bait, release the hook, and return home point after reaching the task point. If not selected, these tasks will need to be performed manually. Tap to start the mission.
Mission is going to start. Mission accomplished.
Open the sub-interface on the left and tap Bait Release. Tap the Return button to return home point.
We're returning to the home point.
Click the electronic anchor button to pause the task. Click it again to resume.
Mission continues.
Task completed.
Arrived at the home point.
First, place the bait boat in a flat and open area. Tap the Deviation Correction button. Tap Create a Reference Point. Before each task, place the boat at the reference point and observe the bait boat's position on the target in the app. If the boat is not within the green zone, tap Fix the Deviation.
Correction successful.
Deviation correction successful.